Terry's not coming to watch this show because it's brand new. It's only the second time it's been done. And I'll bring it to you right now.
From their seats. Everyone gets a chance to come on down. Everyone gets to play mini games. Your phone is going to be your controller. Players win cash and onboard prizes. And what's more, someone could walk away with a new car. Twitch guest Wi-Fi. No need to purchase internet to play this game. Just scan the QR code with your device or go to timeplay.me and follow the prompts. Purchase a package. All packages get you into the game. Larger packages increase your chances to win that car. Look for your name tag on the ticker and on the leaderboard throughout the show.
Figure out how to run a full loop.
Whether you're playing from your seats or lucky enough to play on stage, everyone has the chance to win. Good luck!
Thank you so much for joining us. It's not too late to scan your QR codes, everybody, with your cell phones if you want to have the chance to win a new car today and also to come on down to win some cash. First of all, a quick question. Who is familiar with the Price is Right TV? Very nice to have you here. Is this your first time on stage for a game show? It is. All right, just as they can all see. I don't want you hiding behind me. All right, so let's see what our first game is going to be for Serena. Here we go.
Ready, because you're going to be playing Plinko!
Serena, have you heard of Plinko before? Amazing. Audience, who's familiar with Plinko? Yeah! I heard your reaction. This is very exciting. Now, let's look at the top 10 leaderboard right now. Let's see where all of you stand on the leaderboard. Here we go. Punch the air. So roll your hand into a fist, so when you punch the air, it will be revealed. Here we go. Punch. And it's $75. Now, Janet, I have a question for you. You can either give that $75 back to me and try for a higher figure. Back is where we are going to transport the ship back to a decade that you vote for. We are going to now show you 3 decades. Once we and then you, Matthew, 3 items. You have to place your bid what you think the exact retail. The smart light bulbs, $90. You would. Let's see where, I'm getting very nervous, so I've got sweaty palms now. Let's see where Johan is going to go. Is he going to stay on the
Bye-bye.
Oh! While Maverick is coming down, our second contestant to join us for the spin-off showdown is Evelyn Rebecca S. Where's Evelyn? Where are you? Where's Evelyn? Where's Evelyn? Is that Evelyn there? Is that, where's Evelyn? Is Evelyn, there she is!
Down!
You can take this way up here, Evelyn. Give our top. What we're going to do now, we're going to pick someone from the audience to join our 2 contestants. You need to be electrical engineer.
Well, my degree is not electrical engineering, but it's a different kind of engineering, so I guess an engineering degree and then a bunch of
Going to dinner.
Oh, we're going?
Guess what? We're already here. So So we're ready to order, and I'm very hungry.
All right, this will be our
Yeah,
last
we all
menu.
done.
We're not doing the menus no more.
No more.
Nope,
We're out
we're
of
done.
here. Done.
All right,
Bye
we're out.
bye.
Come back.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good evening. All right.
You told me to talk, he's talking. Nothing new here, people. Okay. So last night on the cruise, we're closing out with a chocolate martini. We got a great day, and Pat got a little lucky at the casino.
Little lucky. Not sure it counts for anything, but
It's
a
been
little
a great
lucky.
cruise, right, Lovey?
It has been. All right, so next up, next Sunday, not this coming Sunday, following Sunday, Star of the Sea. We'll bring that to you. All right, we're not bringing you no more dinners, by the way. That's over.
We're starting something
Yeah,
new.
something
next
new.
time.
No more dinners.
Cheers.
Unless, of course, you complain.
Cheers.
All right, so we'll see you next Sunday
November 30th.
on the Star of the Sea.
Cheers.
See you.
Bye.
Right this way.